So today I'll be reading 3 poems, and the first is called Elegy for a Home Besieged. In the eyes of machines trained by ghosts will I be recognized. Phantom as I am, I pantomime shadows of what I believe they who fear the future have taken from me. The lives of those ruined by lies and blood ties, anything innocent. A ghost with a gun herds them into cells. Say, I am still alive in the desert wells. When they strip a town of their men and turn thieves into guards and sends riders to factories, hands swollen and bleeding, could I translate their pain through the screens? When they enter homes and force feed our minds, our mouths, our feet, our eyes, when I know each minute we step closer to death, could I still rest? Say, I am still alive in the birds from the west. Remember when they imprisoned you in the desert, above cities covered in sand. When they came to our lands on the railroads, they built and built and built until their eyes glared from every pressure point. A nervous system wired to reactive fight, we were no longer allowed to take flight. Will they always dictate us in metal cages? Say, I am still alive in the heart that rages. When I ring them from the other side of the sea to hear a familiar voice, I hear only strangle as ghosts wring their necks. Eyes wrapped in fear, I say silent, what to do next? When the ghosts in the machines tag me, flag me with their mark, and I despair, for the tongue lost, the bed lost, the web lost. When I draw from my pen any fight I have left to tell the world of their rifts, their thefts, and each night I pray that with hardship comes ease. Say, I am still alive in the poplar trees.